Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the cash out charge for Rocket Money. I know that a lot of people are interested in using Rocket Money to save money on their bills, but they're not sure about the cash out charge. So, in this video, I'm going to explain what the cash out charge is, how it works, and when you might want to use it. What is the cash out charge for Rocket Money? The cash out charge is a fee that Rocket Money charges you when you cash out your rewards. The amount of the fee depends on the amount of money that you cash out. Here's a breakdown of the cash out charges. For cash outs of $100 or less, the fee is $2.50. For cash outs of $101 to $500, the fee is $5. For cash outs of $501 to $1,000, the fee is $10. For cash outs of $1,001 or more, the fee is 1% of the cash out amount. How does the cash out charge work? When you cash out your rewards, Rocket Money will deduct the cash out charge from your account balance. The remaining balance will be transferred to your bank account. For example, let's say that you have $100 in rewards in your Rocket Money account. If you cash out all of your rewards, Rocket Money will deduct $2.50 from your account balance. The remaining balance of $97.50 will be transferred to your bank account. When should you use the cash out charge? The cash out charge is a good option if you need to access your rewards quickly. It can also be a good option if you have a small amount of rewards that you want to cash out. However, if you have a large amount of rewards, it may be better to wait until you have accumulated enough rewards to cover the cash out charge. You can cash out your rewards at any time. There is no minimum or maximum amount that you can cash out. You can cash out your rewards to your bank account or to a prepaid card. Rocket Money will send you an email notification when your cash out request has been processed. Conclusion: the cash out charge is a fee that Rocket Money charges you when you cash out your rewards. The amount of the fee depends on the amount of money that you cash out. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.